Well, hello everybody, welcome to the Forex market analysis session. If you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and a developer of MPS software. In today's video, I will analyze my whole portfolio of 19 pairs on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. In my analysis, I use MPS 5. If you guys are new, what is this? It is a professional pattern recognition software. You can find more details if you hit the link in the description. Okay, MPS 5 analyzes the markets based on different swing identification algorithms. You simply set them in settings, the details for these algorithms, and it can analyze the market based on two main approaches, based from advanced pattern perspective or harmonic pattern perspective. Okay, today I will analyze the market from my own perspective. What is my own perspective? My favorite pattern is a cipher pattern and a unified Gartley. A unified Gartley does not belong to any approach. It is the pattern that I have created based on my market research. Basically, it is an attempt to make a step back and unite BAT and Gartley into something that is unified. What I actually did, maybe I came back to origins when there was no division between bats and Gartleys. So it will not be correct to say that I developed this pattern, that I'm the founder of this pattern or whatever. I simply call it my pattern because I use some specified rules of identification for this pattern, specified rules for trade execution and trade management. This is the only reason. Okay, now once you know what we are looking at, let's do the analysis. Switch between the time frames, 4 hour and 1 hour, and find nothing on euro dollar. Let's go to dollar yen, 4 hour and 1 hour, and nothing as well. Let me do it this way. Let me open text document here and let me arrange them together. This one will be here and this one will be here. I will type a list of patterns that I'm interested in. Euro Aussie 1 hour Gartley, Aussie Yen 1 hour BAT continuation. They were wonderful trades on 29th of June. Today is the 2nd of July and 2018, yes. If I find something, I will type a pair and I will type time frame as well. Pound dollar 1 hour, 4 hour, nothing is here. Euro yen 1 hour and 4 hour, nothing is here. Aussie dollar, nothing is there. Pound yen, let me make it a bit wider, like this. Dollar Canadian, pound yen, let me switch to 1 hour. Okay, nothing. Dollar Canadian 1 hour, 4 hour. New Zealand dollar, nothing. Very simple, very fast. Euro GBP 1 hour, oh sorry, it was 4 hour, now we have 1 hour. Euro Aussie, a potential unified Gartley. Okay guys, what is this unified Gartley? How to trade it? You shouldn't place any limit orders here. You should treat this distance between the 786 and 113 as a potential reversal zone. If price goes here, only then look at for some reversal signals, because it is a reversal pattern. If no reversal happens and the zone is broken to the downside, then look for continuation. That's it, very simple. This pattern simply detects the support resistance zones. So you can see it was resistance, support, support, support. So somewhere here expect the same. Expect the history to repeat. Euro Aussie 4 hour Unified Gately. 1 hour. Okay, we just missed a bearish Unified Gately, and it already hit targets. It completed on Friday 5 p.m. Well, I was already not trading. I was already at home. 4 hour, 1 hour Aussie yen. You see this continuation trade. This is something that I was talking about when the potential reversal zone is broken to the upside. So you never enter, you don't place any limit orders, you wait for reversals. Yes, no reversal happened within the potential reversal zone, means we have a continuation. Look at the retest of projected level and look at the reward back. Reward to hit the targets. Okay, Euro Canadian. This ugly head and shoulders. Classic pattern. Ugly classic pattern. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 pound Canadian. New Zealand yen 4 hour and 1 hour nothing. Euro New Zealand 4 hour and 1 hour. Canada yen. Okay, 4 hour and 1 hour. Aussie Canadian. 4 hours cipher. Hit the targets obviously, and 1 hour is nothing. And Aussie New Zealand 4 hour and 1 hour nothing. Okay, it seems to me that Euro Aussie 4 hour is the only one that is setting up, but it is pretty far from completion. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie 4 hour. It is pretty far from completion. This is the only pattern for today. Okay guys, let's wait for price to decline. If it ever declines, I know if it will, so I don't have a slightest idea what is the probability of price to go lower. This is not something that the pattern shows. The pattern shows what is most likely to happen after this zone is hit. Okay, hope you like this video. By the way, on my website we have a pre-market sell-off of MPS version 5 because MPS version 5 is the newest generation of the software, and on the website the current official software is MPS version 4, and before I replace MPS version 4 by MPS version 5, I give a kind of pre-market sell-off, so you can get the MPS version 5 for the price of MPS version 4. So